Hi, this is Scott Siskin. I'm the president of First Republic Mortgage Bankers. When you need a mortgage, call First Republic Mortgage Bankers and deal direct. Eliminate the middleman. No mortgage broker fees. Stop wasting your hard-earned money on your high-rate mortgage and your credit cards. You can save every single month by refinancing. You personally can save every month by locking in the lowest rates in over 30 years. And we make house calls to the entire tri-state area 7 days a week. Call 718-380-0006 if you're buying a home or you want to refinance your home. 718-380-0006.
A pleasant good afternoon to you, John Fahim. And how are you today, sir?
I'm doing good. Thank you, Squeeze. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. It's great to be here. It's a pleasure to be here. It's all the time. It's nice to be here. And I'm all pumped up again, sitting. And you know what, Squeeze? The minute I walk in, and Brian just called me, says, John, you got a couple of line waiting for you. I just stepped in to the building like 20 minutes ago, and he said, we got a couple of calls waiting for you already. People already know that I'm, that we are here. Loan officers generally here from 1 o'clock, so they start making calling. They just don't wait to radio to, listen to the radio program. They know the people are here already from 1 o'clock.
That is true, man.
I'm here today. It's like people who really need a refinancing right now, as the rates are low, as very, very low. 15 years, we have 4.5% interest rate, and 30 years fixed, we have 5.5% interest rate we have. So these are the rates that are playing very good numbers right now. Folks who like to do refinancing, who like to do debt consolidations, this is the perfect time right now, because rates is not going to play good after that. You never know. Like New York Lotto, you never know when the rate can go up.
You never know.
So take a chance right now. Grab the rate, lock in the rate, and it's absolutely free. We can lock in the rate for 30 days, for 60 days we can lock in the rate. It's absolutely free. Well, other lenders, other people's, other places they charge. We don't do charge for locking the rate. It's absolutely free. Well, if you, it's not necessarily that we can able to qualify everybody, but folks, just give us a call right now while you are in lunch break right now. Let's see if we can able to qualify you with the rate that we are offering right now, as low possible rates right now for 30 years or 15 years, whatever. You can trade your 30 years mortgage to 15 years. You're still paying the same mortgage what you're paying right now, but you'll be paid off in 15 years. So why not take an advantage of 15 years mortgage right now, since the rates are playing good? And another details is the refinancings on a debt consolidation, folks. As you know, the January, we're sitting today is 9th of January. We have bills coming in. I was looking at Squeeze this morning. I did some shopping over the holiday. My bills came in, and I'm looking and so, wow, I got to pay all my bills. I'm sure a lot of folks who went out there on a holiday, they need a whole lot of shoppings, they need things, they need some money. I just got a call right now. I need money to repair my house. I need the money to pay off my mortgage. Well, I'm going to pay off my credit card bills too. It's a perfect time. Take the opportunity. The best possible time right now. It is the time right now. We can pay off the mortgage, pay off the bills, get some additional cash that what they are looking for, and we can consolidate all the bills and make one affordable mortgage payment.
Absolutely.
Yes.
Now, John, what are the interest rates for refinancing right now?
Well, the rate for 30 years is 5.5%, and we have 15 years is 4.5 right now. That's the 15 years fixed and 30 years fixed rate. These are the rates at rock bottom, low price.
And the APR and the APR on the cost per thousand?
The APR for cost per 5.5%, 6.28 APR, cost per thousand, 5.68 cost per thousand. But that's 30 years fixed, and we have 30 years. Conventional rates we have also 5.375, 5.56 APR, cost per thousand is 5.60. So and we have 15 years fixed rates at 4.5%. Can't go wrong. 5.48 APR, 7.65 cost per thousand, and that's for 15 years fixed, 4.5% interest rate. Perfect time to do the refinancing. These rates are magical number. Squeeze, you know what? This rate I've seen like 4 years ago. And after 4 years, these rates came back again. And we did a booming business back 4 years ago. Still we're doing booming business. But I'm telling you, like, we got an overwhelming call came in, and people's A lot of people swapped their 30 years mortgage to 15 years since the rates. Some folks have a rates of 7% and 7.25% or 7.5%, and they're taking advantage of 15 years fixed, which is 4.5, 5.48 APR, 7.65 cost per thousand. 15 years fixed rate, 4.5% interest rate. They're swapping their mortgage from 30 years to 15 years. So, another word, they're paying the same mortgage, but they're paying now, but they'll be paid off in 15 years. Why not, right?
Right. Absolutely. Look at the phone lines, man. A lot of folks are awaiting you to handle their calls right now. But, folks, you're listening to the vice president of a bank, First Republic Mortgage Bankers, on Link Up Radio at 39 minutes before 2 o'clock. And we'd like for you to speak with John Fahim and get a much better rate on your house right now. Let him take care of you by you calling 718-325-5555. He will speak with you off the air and give you options and you changing up the rate that you have. If you don't have 5.5%, I do believe that you should be having a conversation with him. Give him a link right now, 718-325-5555. That's 718-325-5555. Ask him about FHA. Ask him about Sony Mae. Ask him about Fannie Mae. But I can tell you this. They have access to every single conceivable mortgage program that you can think of in the United States. You should go with a bank that has multiple options. Make the call to our studios right now to speak with them right this second. Not tomorrow, not in the next hour, but right now. First Republic Mortgage Bankers, direct lenders. Make the call right now, 718-325-5555. If you have properties in Florida, Georgia, Pennsylvania, Maine, South Carolina, they can take care of that also. So right now, make the call, 718-325-5555. John Fahim, I'm going to let you get the phone lines, and we'll talk in a bit. All right.
Okay, thanks.
Once again, folks, a lot of you out there would like to buy homes, and you're reaching out to John Fahim. If you're getting a business signal, I tell you what, call 7.
First Republic Mortgage Bankers is a licensed mortgage banker, direct lender in New York, New Jersey, Connecticut, Pennsylvania, Florida, Delaware, Maryland, Georgia, South Carolina, headquartered at 110 Jericho Turnpike, Floral Park, New York.